The focus of this lesson is capital letters. In this video, you'll be learning how to write better with capital letters.
Biology first. I know, it's better at the beginning.
Hey, I remember you. Why are you so obsessed with me? Just kidding. That was funny. Hello, friend. So, how was it the last time you were here? In our last lesson, part 1, you learned some of the rules for using capital letters. However, we're not done. There are still some rules left that we need to consider when using capital letters. Today, we'll learn the other rules. Are you ready? Let's go! Rule number 1. Capitalize proper nouns and proper adjectives derived from proper nouns. Capitalize names of streets and roads, cities, parishes, counties, countries, continents, and planets. Do not capitalize the sun or moon, as you can see in the following examples. Use east, west, north, and south when they name a region or a country or the world. But east, west, north, and south when giving a direction. As you can see in the following examples. I have a friend from the east who pronounces the word coffee as coffee. The other example is, I did not intend to travel east on that road. The first sentence, east, is naming a region of a country, and for that reason, it is in capital letter. However, the other sentence shows east being used as a direction, and for that reason, it's not capitalized. Capitalize names of businesses, governmental bodies, institutions, and organizations. Examples: Red Cross, Smith Auto Supply, Oxford University. All have been capitalized. You should capitalize names of days, months, and holidays, but never capitalize seasons. Example: Friday, September, New Year's Day, but do not capitalize spring or fall. You should capitalize the names of events in history and periods of history. For example, Mexican Revolution, Dark Ages, Roaring Twenties. You should capitalize brand names of products. You should not capitalize a common noun that follows a brand name. For example, Kleenex tissues, Dial soap, Mott's apple juice. So we've capitalized the brand name Kleenex, but we shouldn't capitalize the common noun, tissues. Dial is the brand, so it's been capitalized, but we shouldn't capitalize soap as it is a common noun. Mott's, it's the name of a brand, so it has been capitalized. However, apple juice is a regular, schmegular. Jokes aside, it's a common noun. Therefore, it ought not to be capitalized. Capitalize names of languages, races, nationalities, tribes, religions, and deities. Never capitalize black or white. They are skin colors, not race. For example, Chinese, Japanese, Buddhism. Capitalize names of rivers, oceans, ships, landmarks, monuments, and buildings. As you can see, Amazon River, Pacific Ocean, Titanic, they've been capitalized because they are proper nouns. And that's it for today's video. Great job following today's content, guys. Great job. Apparently, based on my analytics, most of the people who do watch my videos don't subscribe. What's happening? You guys need to subscribe. I promise to continue trying to give you quality content. Stay tuned for my next video. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye. Mwah.